This is the best burrito I've ever eaten. Yum, yum, yum. This is the best burrito I've ever eaten. Yum, yum, yum. With plenty of beans and plenty of cheese and plenty of rice. Oh, isn't it nice? Yum, yum, yum.
Okay, it might seem dumb that I'm doing fireworks on a Friday when it's not even July the 4th. It is way past that. But we didn't get time to do it because we thought it was going to rain on the July 4th, but it didn't. And if you hear background noise, sorry, my mom is watching a top 10. So yeah. But, yeah, I'm gonna be doing fireworks tonight, possibly. I don't really know if I am, but if you don't believe me, here. That didn't work. Okay, that lip. Can't you hear it? So, yeah. So, if you don't believe me, here. Aren't you hearing things? Boom, we're about to start. But I'm gonna keep the camera covered because I don't want any like faces getting out. So this is what you're gonna see for a long time. Well, for a while till we start. So here we go. We're about to start.
Alright, ready, set, light them. Bring it up to the ear. Good, Zach.
Woo, cool. Oh God! Woo! Ah! These are cool.
Where's the dachshund to run off?
That's it for the, oh God, no it's not. Okay, that's the ramen candles. I hope you guys are having fun. I'm on the swing right now. Woo! Whoa! Ow! Ow, that hurt! We're starting again. People are thinking we're weird because we are freaking doing fireworks not on the 4th of July. I bet people are so happy with us right now. Ow, I got hit again. Oh, what? These are amazing. Oh, I got hit in the eye. It surprisingly doesn't. People are happy with us because it isn't the 4th of July. Oh! And it isn't the 4th of July. Oh, I keep getting hit by them. They're so loud. You don't even know. Oh God, those are beautiful.
Bravo!
Woo! Yes! Oh! Yes. Oh God. Wow, it's so loud. I'm seeing fireworks. Ugh.
Those are big ones.
Oh God. Orders are coming in. Oh yes. I'm not excited. Screaming for no reason.
Pictures of him being right under him. Yeah.
But it doesn't hurt you when it hits you, so it doesn't matter. My phone is at like 8%, so you'd be happy that I'm doing this for you. Update, it's at 7%, so stinks. Smells like a trash. No. Oh god. Party! I said firework pride. Because everybody else is doing it now. And it is like the 8th of July, I think it is, and we are doing fireworks. Because we are special. Okay, 2 boys are yelling. Yeah, he can't. He's like 2 years old. I'm excited. Do it. Ooh, I'm scared. I hope you like this because I'm working a lot for you guys. Oh, bug! There was a bug on me as soon as I started the recording, and it was crawling down my leg.
I gotta record.
Welcome to outside.
I'm sitting on here.
Why are you filming? Yes, this video is high
We
quality.
don't see blue and red lights like flashing. Just carport. I think we're alright.
I'm
Ordinance isn't until 10 most of the
I'm seeing just like a bunch of lines of black in my eyes. It's weird.
And usually it's a little later on weekends.
This one. Weird. Starting because of us. Because of us, we hear more fireworks. Oh, what the heck? So much gunpowder. Phew. That hurt. Well, we didn't get it. Crap. But we have enough
Oh,
fire.
look. There are more being lit.
Really?
Keep it on.
My phone's about to die. Okay. I'm gonna record a few more. Okay. I'll be back now. And if you didn't know, I got hit with a firework. No lie, I got hit with the firework. It was terrible. And it didn't hurt, surprisingly. And I also got a piece of cardboard. So I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. Bye.